What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't been posting in a minute, but it's all right. Today I'll be taking my mom in the vet. She's been in a couple like fast cars, like she's been in M6, like an SL 550, but nothing like this torquey. And I don't think anybody's really stepped on it while she's in the car. So this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun, and I hope y'all enjoy. So I'm gonna keep the intro short. Let's get to it. You can drive it.
No,
huh?
You know, I'd probably crash it.
Are you nervous?
No.
Nervous?
No.
You're not nervous?
No, why would I be nervous?
Oh, okay.
Just don't get arrested. That's all I care about. Jeez, you scare me in this thing. It's like a spaceship.
I mean, you only ever been in it one time.
This?
Yeah.
In your car one time?
Twice.
No.
And I didn't even go fast.
No, that's not true. There's cops all up and down this road, just so you know.
Why you getting nervous? Now you're getting nervous.
No, because it's dangerous.
Oh. Car got a little loud, now you're nervous. You ready?
Ready? Ah, don't. All right, stop. Seriously, Joseph, there's cops everywhere.
Hey, they're not.
Oh man. All right, let's go. We gotta get back to this bus. It's time to go home.
I'm not scared.
You know there's like cameras everywhere and stuff.
Good.
Okay. This car's dangerous. I like how you made it like jump. Like it was like hopping. Okay.
Alright, I'll calm down.
Take me home. I'm literally sweating.
It's the last time you ever get in this car with me.
Oh man, do you have the heat on?
No. How you feeling?
I don't really like this car.
All right, so we made it back alive. She's pissed. She thinks I'm gonna die in this thing, but overall it was a good time. I did not think she was gonna react like that. I mean, I knew a little bit, but she sounded pretty confident when she got in the car. I guess that was all for show, but I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna be posting more often. I know some of you are kind of mad about me posting all the shorts, but it is what it is. I gotta do what I gotta do to get where I want to be, and for me to be able to really mod this car and get you guys the content that I want to get you guys, I need to blow up just a little bit so I can justify putting the cam in this thing, and buying some more carbon fiber, and really just having fun with this thing. As y'all know, vets are fun, but they're a good buy for the money. But if you have to fix them, depending on what you're fixing, they're not cheap. Like if I go through a clutch on this car, it's easily $3 grand. So you know, and with that being said, you know what you're getting into when you buy this car. So I'm not really saying anything about it, but it's expensive. So I appreciate y'all who've been supporting me and stay supporting me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.